5 ways to heal your relationship with yourself. Hello beautiful souls, मैं हूँ Bithika. Welcome to Divine Healing YouTube channel. So, we often talk about healing relationship between couples or family members, friends. But there is a bigger relationship above all, and that is a relationship to self, with ourself. हम अपने आप के साथ जो relationship carry करते हैं, उसको कैसे heal कर सकते हैं हम? क्योंकि in life we do a lot of stuffs for which we are guilty, for which we feel sad. हम लोग को लगता है क्यों किया मैंने ऐसा, क्यों किया ऐसा नहीं करते तो ये अच्छा होता. So it's important that you heal your relationship with yourself, because if you do not heal the relationship that you have with yourself, how can you heal the relationship with others? So let me give you guys 5 simple ways that you can heal your relationship with yourself. Number 1, forgive yourself. While it is important to notice our own mistake, evaluate it, and learn the lesson that we have from those circumstances, it is equally important to be gentle and forgiving towards yourself. Yes, it is. If you have done something wrong, if you have done something stupid, laugh about it. Release it from your heart. Don't just keep beating on yourself. Okay, it was a circumstance, I did it, I forgive myself for doing it, I promise that I will never do it again. So this is how it is called, releasing it and not keeping that energy in your heart, because that will haunt you. So forgive yourself, and that is important. When you start forgiving yourself, you build the quality of forgiveness to forgive others. कभी कभी हम खुद को माफ नहीं कर पाते ना, हम अपने आप को इतना ज़्यादा पनिश कर देते हैं कि नहीं मैंने ऐसा किया, इसीलिए हम दूसरों को भी माफ नहीं कर पाते. Because everything starts from self. Number 2, ask yourself. Asking questions to yourself will help you to process your thoughts and emotions. And by doing this, you will gain more clarity about yourself. When you ask questions about yourself, क्यों किया था मैंने ऐसा? Why have I done that? You get an answer. Ask yourself what you need to let go. A voice will come from inside. This is what you need to let go, because you're not letting it go, and that's why things are so difficult in your life. Ask your body which part it needs care and love. Yes, you can actually ask your body, which part am I ignoring? Ask yourself that which part of my emotion is holding me back from getting progress in life, from not getting enough of what I deserve. Ask yourself. The more you ask yourself, you get the answer. And when you get the answer, you heal. Number 3, pay attention to your thought patterns. Try to catch yourself early. The moment you start drifting, you're drifting into negative thought patterns. जिस moment आपको लग रहा है कि आपका thought patterns negativity के towards जा रहा है, अपने आप को hold कर लो. Catch yourself up. No, I'm not going to think it like that. That is called awareness. That is how you teach yourself. That is how you are your own teacher. क्योंकि जब आप अपने आप को, the moment you catch yourself up from drifting into negative thoughts, that will take you to sufferings and blame game, resentments, and it will take your mind to dwell into painful memories. So, did you understand the thing that when you understand your thought pattern, the moment you get drift away, you can catch yourself up, because no one is going to catch you up. Number 4, mindfulness. Practice mindfulness. How you can practice mindfulness? Pay attention to very small things in life, like the meal that you're eating. Enjoy that. The shower that you're taking, hot shower. Oh my God, it's so amazing. The birds that is singing around you, the tree, the rain, the sudden rain that comes. So these are natural things by which you can focus on to bring mindfulness. When you enjoy all these things, your mind get used to, your mind get practiced of practicing mindfulness. And then when this kind of negative thoughts will come, awareness will come automatically. Mindfulness can only be practiced with small little things that is happening around you. You need to enjoy those things. The bird is flying. Okay, the bird is flying. So what? The bird is singing. So what? No, the bird is flying. Look at how beautifully it is flying. Look at how beautifully it's singing. Look at how precisely it is picking up every small little grains. Because when you're focusing on this little details, your mind is getting practiced to practice mindfulness. Okay, moving on to the last point. Make sure you check out my description box. There I have given the link of my travel channel. If you love traveling, if you love watching travel videos, I make solo travel videos, and I'm sure you will love it. Do check it out. It will be completely refreshing for you to watch my videos, and do subscribe if you like my content there. So, moving on to the last point, me time. It is so important that you give yourself a me time at least once a week, pampering yourself. Take yourself away from the hustle of your life and give yourself a complete 20 minutes spa, a complete 20 minutes dance class, a complete 20 minutes away from everything, and where you are pampering your body, your mind and soul. If possible, you could join meditation classes. If possible, you could join groups that talks about mental health, well-being, manifestation. Also, if you want to book a one-on-one session and know how to practice mindfulness, how to live a life freely, how to release all the pain and heal, you can book a session with me. In the description, I have given my Instagram link. Go to my Instagram, drop me a DM. I am just a one text away. So when you give yourself a me time, that is when your cells in the brain start healing. So your brain starts realizing that you're pampering yourself, and that will heal your relationship with yourself. So these are the 5 simple ways that you can practice to heal yourself, heal your relationship with yourself. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. And yes, subscribe this channel if you haven't yet. See you guys on my next video. Till then, take care, practice mindfulness.